This is the day 18 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing 40 plus projects across North Bangalore. Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons. So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey. And today we are scoping Barka at Godrej MSR City by Godrej Properties Limited. It sits on a massive 62 acres of land parcel in Devanahalli. The project offers 2 and 3 BHK units ranging from 1,200 to 1,900 square feet. It comprises a total of 3,900 units across 31 towers with 15 floors each, which is making this a large-scale township development. With a density of 63 units per acre, which is lower than the market average of 76 units per acre, the project offers 63% open space. However, it is below than the area average of 79%, but it compensates by providing over 58,000 square feet of clubhouse that combines 10 acres of dedicated park area with multiple lifestyle and sports amenities that includes a pet park, amphitheater, swimming pool, gym, library, sauna, pharmacy, and various other sports facilities like basketball, badminton, cricket ground, squash, running track, and even skating. As you know, location is everything in real estate. So now let's talk about the connectivity picture. Barka at Godrej MSR City sits on an 18-meter approach road on a well-developing Devanahalli area. Your daily metro commute options include Dorjala Metro Station, which is approx 6 kilometers by road. And for closest rail connectivity, Kempegowda railway station is approx 7-8 kilometers. For air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is approx 10 kilometers, which is roughly 30-40 minutes by road, which is making this project a very close residential development near the airport. Multiple metro alternatives include Betta-Hulsoor at approx 6 kilometers and Kempegowda International Airport Bengaluru Metro Station is approx 6 kilometers, which will be operational by 2027. The project sits strategically in North Bangalore's developing area, Devanahalli corridor, which is making it ideal for frequent travelers because it's very close to the international airport and aviation industry professionals too. So Barka at Godrej MSR City has secured all 7 out of 7 legal approvals by RERA. That includes your height NOC, water NOC, building plan, development plan, fire NOC, among others. To view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and we'll share the link with you. Now here your wallet comes into play. So the pricing sits at around 9,800 rupees per square feet, while the Devanahalli's actual micro market pricing sits at around 9,500 rupees per square feet, which is slightly above from the market average. Unit prices span from 1.18 to 1.87 crores. But remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. RERA possession date for this project is scheduled for March 2030. If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for our guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.